This 2-ingredient pizza dough that is quick and easy to make comes together in a minute. In this video, you'll discover what to do if you don't have the right flour, things to do to achieve the pizza of your preference, and my pizza sauce hack. You'll need a loosely packed cup of gluten-free self-raising flour and half a cup minus about a tablespoon of any milk. You could definitely use almond milk for a vegan option. If you don't have self-raising flour, use a cup of plain flour and add a teaspoon of baking powder. If you don't have the baking powder, add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon to the mix. You'll find all the ingredients and suggestions in the description box below, so be sure to check that out if you prefer a written recipe. For a bready base, form a disc around 6 to 7 inches wide. Make it larger for a thin and crispy, which is my personal favourite. Now, as you can see, we're not using a rolling pin here. The dough is really soft and pliable, so you can just form it using your hands. Place your dough into an oiled pan which has been heating on a medium to hot temperature. This will give you a crispy base. It's important to cover the base for at least half a minute until the top is set, like those steamed buns. This will ensure that you don't get a soggy texture. Spray the edges with oil for the crispy edges like a traditional pizza. Otherwise, spread your sauce and toppings right to the edges for the 8-minute pizza. After steaming the base to set the surface, go ahead and add your toppings. Quick stovetop version should only need about 6 minutes to cook. Just adjust your temperature as needed so the base doesn't burn. If you prefer crispy edges, then pop the pizza under the grill for 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have any pizza sauce, don't just use tomato paste. It's too concentrated. Do this instead. Add tomato sauce, herbs, oil and water to the tomato paste. It'll balance out the acidity, add flavour and create a saucy consistency. To bake this incredibly delicious 10-minute pizza, all you have to do is place the dough on a tray covered with baking paper and slide it onto a hot tray. Remove the paper and continue to bake until it's ready. This dough yields consistent results time and time again. Give it a shot. I know you'll enjoy it, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'm Hilda and this is my gluten-free plate.